Welcome to Smart Start Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to explore some essential tips and techniques for effective public speaking. Whether you're presenting in a meeting, giving a speech, or speaking at a conference, these tips will help you communicate more confidently and clearly. Tip 1. Know your audience. Understanding who you're speaking to can help you tailor your message and connect better with your listeners. Consider their interests, knowledge level, and what they hope to gain from your talk. Tip 2. Structure your speech. A clear structure helps keep your audience engaged and makes your message easier to follow. Start with an engaging introduction, follow with your main points, and conclude with a strong closing. Tip 3. Practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your speech multiple times to become more familiar with your content and reduce anxiety. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or perform in front of friends and family for feedback. Tip 4. Use visual aids. Visual aids like slides, charts, and videos can enhance your presentation and help illustrate your points. Make sure your visuals are clear, relevant, and not overloaded with information. Tip 5. Engage with your audience. Ask questions, invite participation, and be responsive to your audience's reactions. Engaging your audience makes your presentation more interactive and memorable. Tip 6. Handle nervousness. It's natural to feel nervous before speaking. Take deep breaths, visualize your success, and remember that your audience is there to support you. Confidence comes with practice. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you become a more effective public speaker. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Smart Start tutorials. Happy speaking.